And the premium trucks do not stop coming in here at Cosmos Truck Accessories. I want to give you a full review of this 6-inch lift kit that we installed on this 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. We did a lift kit, wheels and tires. So let's start here at the lift kit. We did this 6-inch rough country lift. This is the spacer lift. So this is on the more, less expensive side of lift kits. It will get the job done, but obviously like a Strut Spacer is more quality. However, the Strut Spacer is more accessible if you just want something to, upgrade the look of it as quickly as possible, and you're only gonna be doing like daily driving. It works well. 6-inch lift. This is the space it has between the tire, the top of the tire, and the fender. So as you can see, it does lift it quite a bit. This 6-inch lift comes with the skid plate, rough country, infamous cross members. So overall, a very sturdy lift kit from rough country, the entry level. Now let's go to the wheels. So the wheels, we did these 22 by 10 wheels, hard rocks, black and milled. Check it out. These are very nice. It's got that like simulated beadlock right here. And if you can see, this is nice milling right here. Look at, just check out the details, man. This is how you know it's quality milled. Nice black, it won't get scuffed up as easy. For the tires, we did these Mile King 35, 1250, 22-inch tires. Pretty good tire right here. Denali badge. You already know, quality only stuff, premium stuff only. All right, so now that you've seen the exterior, now we're gonna take it on a quick test drive to see how it performs right off the lift. So as you can see, this is the Denali, nice inside trim. It's got the nice backup cameras everywhere you see. Nice steering wheel. I'm gonna take it on a quick little test drive to see how this lift kit performs. Another cool thing about these Denalis is that it's got the like spaceship shifter. It's pretty sick. Doing a little turn right now. We got the driver here. All right, bro. What do you think of driving it right now?
Overall, it feels really good. So much better than stock. Going over these bumps, that you literally eat them. It feels really smooth.
There you go. Had a bump right there. So yeah, guys, this lift is the 6-inch spacer lift. Yeah, I mean this one feels pretty smooth too, but dude, when we've test driven loaded strut, it's night and day difference. But this one's honestly not that bad for this Denali. All right, so there you have it, y'all. Full review of a 6-inch rough country lift on this Denali. If you're looking for an expert shop to lift your truck, put on some fresh new wheels and tires, visit us here at Cosmos Truck Accessories. All of our techs are trained. Check out our reviews on Google. Quality products, quality service, expert install.